What's going on, Brooks and Davis family? Michael G. Davis, Realtor CEO of Brooks and Davis Real Estate Firm, and wanted to give a quick video about one of our new programs. It is our Success in Real Estate Internship program. I'm here at the office. It's about 1:46. We got Margaret in the front meeting with some clients. We have Mark in the back on the phone setting appointments. We have Jess working with clients and coordinating showings. So we have a lot of activity as far as with our book of business. And I believe that it's a great opportunity for our agents to come in and see the Realtor Success Funnel in action, right? One of the challenges that agents have is coming into business. You don't have the opportunity to really see it in action. So look, we just had an agent, Kinsley, come in for her GAP meeting. So look, we're working, we're doing activities. So the flyer is attached to this video. If you're interested, right, get an opportunity to see how to do a real estate business, see the activity, and look, you can get paid for your time. It's a 90-day commitment. Look at the flyer, see the information, call the office for more information about it. And if you're interested, let's get you signed up and let's get you going. All right? We'll be talking to you. Have a good one. Bye.